Hey guys, TechGeek here again with another video, and today I have the unboxing and a first look at the iPhone 12 mini. I have it here in the black color, and as you guys can see, the box is pretty shallow. It's much like the iPhone 12 Pro that I unboxed a little while ago, and that's because Apple has removed the power adapter from the box. Now all you really get inside it is the iPhone, the charging cable, and some paperwork. The first thing in the box is actually just the iPhone, which we can pull up, and here again I have it in the black color. Instead of using the plastic wrap on the screen, Apple actually does like a paper material now. The phone is actually squared off just like the 12 and 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, so this is kind of the design style that Apple's following for this generation of iPhones. It feels a lot like the 5S and the 5. Inside you get the USB-C cable and some paperwork that says designed by Apple in California, which we can put back in the box. Close that thing up and then take a look at the actual iPhone. So peeling off this like sticky piece of paper thing at the top, you can see this is probably the cleanest this screen is ever going to look. But this is actually a 5.1 inch screen. It actually takes up almost the entire body of the phone, which is probably the coolest design I've seen on a phone in a while. I have the 12 Pro, which is basically the same thing but larger and has a third camera and a couple other little things. Probably the most annoying part about these iPhones is at the bottom it still uses Lightning instead of USB-C, and one of the bigger differences between this and the Pro line of phones is that it has 2 cameras instead of 3, so it has the standard wide angle and then the ultra wide, but it does not have the telephoto. But you know, I don't really find myself using the telephoto very often, and I think the ultra wide is actually super nice, especially now because in iOS 14 and in some of these newer phones we have night mode available on all the cameras. These are a couple of the different iPhones I wanted to compare it to. So there's the 12 Pro on the left, the iPhone 8 in the middle, which is kind of the existing style or the last generation style of the iPhones, and then the 12 mini on the right. The phone is actually really, really nice and compact in the hand. It actually really gives me the feeling of having the iPhone 5 and 5S, which were probably my favorite generations of iPhone until this one came out. So you have the square sides and the really nice profile. It feels light and compact in the hand, and has pretty much no sacrifices as far as the comparison to the iPhone 12 is concerned. So anyway, that's about it. This was just a quick unboxing and a look at the iPhone 12 mini. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.